So here is our R-3K voltage portal. I'm going to show how this can be used for three-phase application. Most of you might have a question, this device has only 2 slots, but this device is connected to three-phase systems, for example. How is it going to measure, right? So as you look on the back side of this, we are passing through 3 wires through this device. So basically, you can take L1, L2, L3, you can pass it through this device, and then as you pass this, you can verify this voltage using the detector pen. If there is a voltage present at any of these leads, any of these 3 leads, this detector pen will still pick up between these 2 slots because these 2 slots have been positioned in such a way that it will pick the voltage between any 3 phases as it's connected through, as they pass through this device. So that's the one thing. Second thing is, when do you use the separate set of wires with this device? So here you see a separate set of wires that's been directly connected to this device with this heat shrink caps, as you see it, as I'm pointing out here. So in which scenarios do you use this? So there are 2 scenarios. One is if you're trying to use this R-3K for voltage verification using an NCVD pen and you want a redundant connection. So if you're using it with the voltage indicator, there are instances you will pass these lead wires through this device. That's one way to do it. The other way is some customers would require, I would like to have a separate set of wires so the indication is redundant and the connections are also independent. In that case, you can run your separate set of wires using this heat shrink cap kits so that you are directly connecting it to the same side of the source where your voltage indicator is connected. That's the one scenario. And in a second scenario is basically you don't have the voltage indicator and you want to use just this R-3K product alone on a standalone basis. In that case, you would run a separate set of wires as what I'm showing here, and then you'll hook it up to your line or load side of your source to measure the voltage presence.